Okay everybody, so I figured I'd share with you guys my greens haul, my leafy green haul, and it's I got 2 large bunches of green curly kale and then 1 pack of romaine hearts, super good with a creamy hemp dressing. Oh my goodness, love it. And then 10 ounces of baby spinach, great for juicing. I love juicing spinach in green juices. But then they're also super good for green smoothies, as a lot of you raw foodies out there already know, because I find that baby kale, or what is it? Actually, baby kale and spinach gives off sort of like a whipped cream, creamy whipped cream texture and kind of flavor to a smoothie. And it's kind of odd and bizarro, but that's the effect I get. I don't know about you guys, but that's the effect that I get. And then I got some, it's a coleslaw mix, and I'm not a big fan of cabbage, but once in a while I get in the mood for cabbage, and I don't like to buy the whole head all the time, so I kind of go for the packs, even though I know it's kind of a waste of money. But this was at Walmart, and it was a wahoo deal, 67 cents, so I'm like, yes, I just need a little bit. I just need a little bit. And so this was perfect. So I did very well there. And then at my Oriental market, they finally are carrying, they're called, what are they called? They're baby leeks, they're baby chives, or baby leek chives, or I can't remember what they call them, but this is a really good type of onion. I love using leek onions in all my recipes, as a lot of you guys know if you watch enough of my videos. I always use leek onions in my dressings and stuff because it's such a cool onion and it's so tasty. But this is another variety of onion that I love to use, and I can only find it at my Oriental market, and it's just a younger version of leeks, but it's got more of a intenser garlic and chive flavor, and it's super good. You can tell a difference between leek onions and these, but these are much more stronger on the garlic side, and I can still taste the onion in there, but it's more stronger on the garlic and chive side. So these are super good, a big bunch here, and so that's my green haul. But you know how you guys know how your body just goes through cycles. That's one thing, if you've been on a raw foods diet long enough, you start to really notice how your body cycles through certain produce, certain fruits and vegetables, and that's good. That's really good, because you get all the different types of nutrition. You guys know, all you raw foodies out there know, you get all the different types of nutrition from all the thousands of different types of varieties on this planet, yes. But seasonally, your body goes through cycles seasonally, and that's one thing with the fruits and the vegetables. Sometimes your body, it'll tell you what it wants, and then you just start buying those fruits and veggies more often. And like, there's a time where I'll just buy cucumbers and zucchinis all the time, and have spiralized zoodles, spiralized zucchini all the time, because I'm just wanting the zucchini. But now I'm wanting, of course, leafy greens, but I'm wanting the green curly kale, because I already bought, it was 2 bunches already in here, and I'm going through it like it's going out of style here, guys, like it's going out of style. And so I picked up another bunch, and it's just hitting the spot really well. And so the green curly kale tastes really, really good with savory dressing. So I bought 2 bunches there, but that's what I can tell. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm getting in the mood for deep leafy greens. And another deep leafy green that I love is La Ciento kale, or dinosaur kale. That's really good kale. And I've always known it as dinosaur kale, but it's a really cool green. It's really good for wraps. And then of course Swiss chard. I had to take a big long break from Swiss chard, but now I'm into the green curly kale. And so as the fruity stash as the fruity stash goes, guys, this is what I've got on the current stash. Tons of grapefruits. Holy moly. But Miss Stace, you said that you genuinely do not like grapefruits in your past couple of videos. That is correct, you guys. I genuinely really do not really like grapefruits, but I still eat them because I love the grapefruit flavor. I love the grapefruit flavor, but I just hate that bite afterwards. If you can kind of understand what I'm saying here, guys, there's just like a bite afterwards. I don't know how to describe it, but I still enjoy grapefruits though, most certainly. And I don't eat them a whole lot, but I'm in the mood for grapefruits. Like, I want that grapefruit flavor. I love the feel. I love the touch. I love the scent, the smell, and the act of just peeling it, you know, and the look of it. It's just, and I love the flavor. It's just that bite afterwards that I don't really like, you know. But I still enjoy them, of course. So that's what I've got. Is I've got Texas red grapefruits here. I've got ruby red grapefruits, and then I have a pomelo. It's a red pomelo. Is huge. It's almost like a bowling ball, bigger than a softball. I have played softball in my younger years when I was much younger, even though I'm 28, since it's 2018 right now. I'm 28 years old, but I can say in my younger years, teenage years, I used to play softball a lot, and I know this is bigger than a darn softball, so holy moly. But I have had a pomelo once before with my mom, and they are very interesting, but they are good, and I wanted to get in I wanted to try one since I haven't had one in a long time, and they're showing their big old faces in the grocery store, so that's what I got there. And then I've got some grapes kind of drying out into little raisins, just naturally drying them out, just letting them dry out. Not really in the mood for grapes very much right now, but I just snack on them once in a while. But they're actually turning into little raisins, which is awesome. They get sweeter. Still working on my apples, which I love putting in green juices, and mangoes are coming out, but they're just not very abundant in the stores just yet. But they're just getting a couple of them here and there until summer is in full swing, you know, which isn't for another several months up here in Alaska. Officially summer is not here until like the middle of May. Okay, so we still got some time here, guys, in winter mode. But then I got some golden nugget oranges, golden nugget mandarins. These are, oh, you guys know, golden nuggets are just an amazing mandarin orange, super good. And I got lots of cuties, and then bananas ripening. Of course, we all know about bananas, but I like to let them what would we say, really ripen up, and then I like to naturally dry them on the countertop. They turn into like donut. It almost tastes like a donut. They're so good. But then I also like to freeze them also, so for banana and ice cream and smoothies and stuff. So that is the current fruity stash, guys. I thought I'd just share that with you guys. And so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys, and I will see you guys next video. Okay, bye guys.